Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coded. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to fulfill orders on Shopify. So guys, once you create an account on Shopify, this is the home page of Shopify dashboard. Then under orders, you are going to see all the orders which come on your Shopify store. So if you open the order, then you can see all the order details like which product a customer has ordered and all. Even you can see customer shipping address, billing address and all. And you can see how much the customer has paid. Then guys, under products, you have all the products which are there on your store which the customer can buy. Now let's see about what are the settings for which customer. Other thing that you need to The other thing that you need to sell on Shopify is that you need a payment gateway. Guys, payment gateway settings are under the payments option over here. Over here, you can have a payment gateway like PayPal, Razorpay, and even you can have cash on delivery option. Guys, using these payment gateways, customers can pay on your Shopify website. Now, let me open the website and show you how the order placing option works. Then we'll show you how we can basically fulfill the orders. So first, let's place an order. So I'll add the product to cart and I'll check out. So guys, I have entered my contact information and then I'll press the continue to shipping. Then again, I'll select the shipping method and I'll say continue to payment. Then guys, we'll get the payment gateway. On this payment gateway, we need to add the card details. So whatever payment gateway that you have, you need to enter. So I'll add the card details and then click on pay now. Once that is done, so guys, the Shopify order will be placed. So this is how the order confirmation page looks. Then let's come back. So suppose the customer has placed this order, that is order is 1002. Then the order will be shown under orders screen. So there you go. So once you open the order, then as I told you, we had placed an order. So that order was for this the multi-managed snowboard, and same product will be shown, and even the price and all will be same 843.34, that is 843.34, and even the shipping address and all. Now the question is how you are going to fulfill the order. So guys, once you hand over the product to the shipping partner, and then the shipping partner basically will give you a tracking code, and based on that you are going to track the customer's order. And once the order is delivered, you click on this fulfill item. So over here, you are going to basically add the tracking number. So suppose the tracking number is of DH. Basically, I'll say Blue Dart. I'll add the Blue Dart tracking number which they have provided for the order. That I'll say this one, and I'll say the shipping carrier is Blue Dart. I'll select and send shipment details to customer, and then we are going to fulfill the order. So that's how simple it is. Now over here you are going to see the Blue Dart as the shipping partner, and you are going to see the tracking code. And as soon as you click on it, then the Blue Dart tracking page will open. So for that, basically you need a correct, basically the tracking code which Blue Dart has given. Then the customer can track the order over here. So, guys, that's how super easy it is to fulfill orders on Shopify. I hope this video was helpful to you in learning how to fulfill basically Shopify orders. Also, we have learned how to place an order on Shopify. That's all in this video. Do subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notifications related to my new video. Also, please like and share this video. Thank you.